Initially introduced by the National Assembly, the bill proposed amendments to 44 sections of the existing Act, of which 34 sections were adopted by the House. The bill was forwarded to the National Council in July last year, where 21 sections were amended. When the bill was returned to the National Assembly, the House adopted 12 sections, while consensus could not be reached on the remaining 9. As a result, the bill was referred to a joint sitting of the Parliament. Of the 9 sections, the first joint sitting in the summer of 2025 agreed to move 2 sections regarding protocol from the bill into the Home Affairs Ministry's protocol guidelines. The joint sitting then adopted the bill. However, the Supreme Court then interpreted that 3 sections concerning the position of the Secretary General were inconsistent with the Constitution.
나루테 준 렌데 숨기 원체 타데 예비디 소소베 야고비기 된센다 티디기베 데 짜팀 쳔다 딕튼 맵베 데 된들나디 예블레텐디기베 데 미왕아샵 초기 지익들로 까들 만남레텐디기베 데 짜팀 쳔메기 짜친 주숨비기 짜친 주숨비기 된센 주탐다 티디기베 지소 힌주나로 짜르기 가자나디기베 유수슈니라.
Subsequently, the Joint Committee proposed the removal of these sections. The joint sitting agreed to the proposal through a show of hands and removed the sections from the bill. Despite this, during the final adoption of the bill, the majority of members present in today's joint sitting voted against the bill. Of the 70 members present, 39 voted against the bill, 25 voted in favor, and 5 abstained. As the required majority was not secured, the bill could not proceed further. The bill may be reintroduced in a future session only after a year. 𝗃𝗁𝗃𝗀𝗃 𝗵𝗂 BBS News.